when we were looking at them down there, and you were climbing on the fence, on the cattle gate. Whoa! What?
I'm gonna catch that firework.
You're gonna catch that firework?
Everywhere.
Oh, let's see, you guys. I want to show you. See, I woke up in the morning and I had these flowers, but the sun killed some of them today. Aren't they pretty? And these flowers bloomed. They came back. Gotta pick them. Gotta pick the dead off. See how pretty they are? Woo. Oh yeah. So beautiful. I love fireworks. I really do. I really like fireworks. Little Sean, please don't hurt my plants. Say sorry to the plant. We love plants. Plants are alive. Whoa, look. Whoa. Woo! Wow, that's so close. That's so cool. Woo! Oh my goodness, that's so close.
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa. Little Sean, that was so cool. Wow. They did? Hey, are the mosquitoes biting you?
No.
Huh?
They're just hiding in the tree.
Okay.
Like, it's guys. Peace. Yeah.
Woo! Good job. Woohoo! Peace. Do what you love and love what you do. Watch out, don't run into nothing. Whoa! Speed racer right there. American track star.
I'm Flash.
You're Flash. Whoa! Look at Flash go. Careful, Flash. Woo, there's more fireworks for you. There you go. Whoa. And there's more over here. Guys, this was awesome. To have them right here in the yard. So cool. This is how we do it in Inglewood.
Hey, here's a Ziploc bag. You want it?
No thanks.
I want to hold you.
Okay, cover the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Put your hand over the camera.